Hello everyone. Good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we discussed about the chapter straight line, and in that chapter we already discussed about the equation of line in slope intercept form. We also discussed about the equation of line in point slope form, which is you know that very well. Dear student, we discussed about the two types of equation of line: y is equal to mx plus c, as well as y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and we also solve some question based on them. Okay, today dear student, now we are going to discuss about the equation of line passing through two given points. Today's topic is what? Equation of line passing through two given points. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the equation of line passing through two given points. Suppose that, dear students, a line AB, suppose that a line AB of coordinate x1 y1 and x2 and suppose that 2 points, a line AB, suppose that here a line AB passing through two given points P and Q respectively, having the coordinate as x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then in that condition the equation of line will be, dear friends, since we know that y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, and you also know that since we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, so here we put the value of m, so we get an equation of line as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, and in another bracket x minus x1. So dear student, this is the equation of line passing through two given points. So this is the formula. So dear student, so you must be learn this formula, and we solve so many questions based on this topic. Now dear student, now let us take and solve some questions based on these formula. Let's see. Now let's see some question. Find the equation of line. Your question is find the equation of line. Find the equation of line joining the points minus 1 3 and 4 minus 2. So dear student, this is the question here, and here we find the equation of line passing through two given points. Suppose that, so let's see its solution, dear students. First of all, suppose we take AB as a line having points, and points which is passing through the point P and Q having coordinates as minus 1 3, and the coordinate of, let us take Q as 4 and minus 2. Now here we take x1 y1 and x2 y2. Okay, and now dear students, we know that the equation of line when passing through two given points is what? Since we know that, first of all, we know that the equation of line, as what? Y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in bracket x minus x1. Now dear student, now look what I do. Now dear student, we put the values of x1 y1 and x2 y2 in that formula. Let's see. Now we have as what? Y minus y1, the value of y1 is what, 3, is equal to y2 means minus 2 minus y1 is 3 upon x2 is 4 and x1 is minus 1, and in another bracket x minus x1, so x minus x1 is what, minus 1, so minus minus here, plus 1 here. Now look what I do now, let's see, y minus 3 is equal to minus 3 to 5 upon 4 plus 1, that is 5, and here we write x plus 1 as it is. Now we have y minus 3 is equal to 5 cancel to each other, so here we get minus x minus 1. Now transfer that side, we get what, x plus y minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. So now we have as x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation of line, hence this is our answer. Okay, so dear students, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on equation of line when it is passes through two given points. So just you apply the formula and solve it, then you get your result. Now dear students, we take and solve some questions of your NCERT exercise. Okay, now we take some question and solve it. Okay, let's see. Now let us take and solve some question of your NCERT exercise. Your question is find the equation of line. Find the equation of line when it is passing through the passing through the points, and your points are a cos alpha comma a sin alpha, and in another bracket a cos beta comma a sin beta comma a sin beta. Now look, dear student, here we have to find the equation of line when it is passes through two given points as a cos alpha comma a sin alpha and a cos beta comma a sin beta. Now let's see its solution. Dear students, given points are, let us take a is what, first point a cos alpha comma a sin alpha, and another point b take as a cos beta comma a sin beta. Now let's take that is x1 y1 x2 y2. Since we know that the equation of line is given by what, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and into x minus x1. Okay, now we apply the formula as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 in another bracket x minus x1. Now here we put the value of x1 y1 and x2 y2. Let's see. Now we get as y minus the value of y1 is what, a sin alpha is equal to y2 means what, a sin beta minus y1 is what, a sin alpha upon the value of x2 as what, a cos beta minus the value of x1 is what, a cos alpha, and into x minus x1 means what, a cos alpha. Now let what I do, we take as a is common. Now let here we have ay minus a sin alpha is equal to, we take a is common, so a cancel to each other, so we have as sin beta minus sin alpha upon cos beta minus cos alpha in bracket x minus a cos alpha. Now dear student, what I do, we do as cross multiplication, or we can write as, let's see, we apply the formula of cosine c minus sin d, and here we apply the formula cos c minus cos d, hence we get some result. Let's see, here we write as y minus a sin alpha is equal to, we apply sin c minus sin d. What is the formula of sin c minus sin d, dear students? 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2 cos c plus d by 2 means c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. We apply this formula also here now, and here we apply the formula cos c minus cos d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2. Okay, 2 sin c plus d by 2 into minus, we apply minus, and sin c minus d by 2. 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2 means sin beta minus alpha by 2, and here we write as x minus a cos alpha as it is. Now look what I do, dear student, here 2 cancel to each other, and here they, let's see, sin beta minus alpha upon 2 and sin beta minus alpha, these are also cancelled to each other. Now what I get, let's see, we have as now what we have, let's see dear students, here we left as we have as y minus a sin alpha, y minus a sin alpha is equal to, what I get here, cos beta plus alpha upon 2 and upon sin alpha plus beta upon 2, so we get cot alpha plus beta upon 2, we write as minus cot alpha plus beta upon 2, we get as cot alpha plus beta upon 2, and in bracket we have x minus a cos alpha. So we have as what, let's see, we multiply that value, so we get y minus a sin alpha is equal to minus x cot alpha plus beta upon 2 minus minus plus a cos alpha into cot alpha plus beta upon 2. Now we transfer that side, so we get as what, x cot alpha plus beta upon 2. Okay, and here we get as what, plus y. Okay, and here what I get, we write as minus a sin alpha, and I transfer that side, minus a cos alpha into cot alpha plus beta upon 2 is equal to 0. So this is our required equation of line. So this is our required answer. Now let's see its solution, dear students. 1 minute. Right, so this is our required answer. So dear student, in this way you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these concepts. Okay, now